Beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Yeah? Hi. Yeah, Aiden? Is that right? It is a beautiful morning. Are you getting hungry too, Aiden? Hi, guys. We're almost home. Almost home. Look at that Jeep, Aiden. We're gonna get you, we're Ava. We're gonna get you a Jeep just like that. Hi. Hi. Mommy's filming. What do you guys want for lunch?